Today we will make a tasty and delicious snack recipe crispy chicken nuggets. These are super easy to prepare and you can make them for iftar or even when you have a guest coming over. So let's get started. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken which I have washed thoroughly 2 to 3 times and cut into small pieces like this. Add 2 medium-sized onions chopped into small pieces to the chicken. Take 2 slices of bread, remove their sides and cut them into 4 pieces. Add salt to taste, half tablespoon red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon white spicy masala powder, half tablespoon meat tenderizer, half tablespoon white pepper powder, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, and 2 tablespoons butter. Transfer this chicken and spice mixture into a mixture grinder jar and blend it into a fine paste. Apply a little oil to your palm to prevent the chicken batter from sticking. Take portion of batter according to the desired nugget size and shape them as you like. I am giving them a rectangular shape. Prepare all the nuggets in this way. Place the nuggets in the fridge for 1 hour to chill and set well. This will ensure they don't break and coat easily when dipping in egg and breadcrumbs. While the nuggets chill, prepare the egg slurry and breadcrumbs. Take 1 bowl of fresh breadcrumbs and mix in half tablespoon garlic powder, half tablespoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon yellow food color and mix everything well and set it aside. In another bowl, take 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well and keep it aside too. Once the nuggets are chilled and set, we will start coating. Dip the nuggets in egg slurry. You can also use a flour slurry if you don't want to use egg. After coating in egg slurry, coat the nuggets with the prepared breadcrumbs. Gently press to ensure all the sides are well coated. Repeat this process for all the nuggets. Heat enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add 3 to 4 nuggets at a time and fry them on medium-high flame. Fry one side for 1 minute, then flip it and fry the other side for 1 minute until the nuggets are golden brown and cooked thoroughly. The nuggets are now perfectly fried, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Take them out and repeat with the remaining nuggets. So our crispy, juicy and delicious chicken nuggets are ready. These are super easy to make at home. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment how you liked it. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.